Hi, welcome to Rechart. Let me give you a quick introduction about what it is and how it can help. So if you own a business, you will always have the chance to ask to share some data with your clients. But you probably thinking about like two things. Hey, how can I make my clients understand the data intuitively, easily, and also I can have full control about what kind of data my clients can see, what kind of data they cannot. So Rechart streamlines and simplifies the whole sharing process by putting you behind the control and make something called Rechart app easily to share with your clients. Let's dive into a quick demo to show you how it works. All right, let's take a look at the demo. First, let's sign into a workspace. Click sign in button. Here you can see I have all my created apps or shared apps here, and I have my data sources. First step is upload some data set. So here we click upload data. We can choose a file. So we can just drop this CSV here, give some descriptions so later we can search it out. And you can see we have detected columns and the types, as well as if there's like time field, it's got detected. So we can use this time field to build flexible timeline analysis later. Leave the name as what it is, save it. Click this data set, we can see some preview of some sample data here. The first 10 rows of total 20,000 rows. Date, product, region, count, price, sales, manager, and buyers. So now while we are previewing the samples, we actually already have one button here, so we can directly just click it, and from here we can see the data is got loaded, and we can start to build a simple interactive chart app. How about let's just do sales, total sales by time. So this is like sum total sales, and we can just like give it a more friendly name. Let's just call it total sales. Total sales. As you can see, this is showing total sales now, and let's break it down into a monthly view. So you can see this is like a monthly total sales, and we haven't worked with filter yet. That's very, very fun part. So let's just focus on one product. Let's say this is for chairs, right? Now you can see the number changes, and I also want to my client to be able to explore in some of them. So I can drop the region. I don't set anything, I set it as visible, which means my client can play with this after I share it with them. The app automatically just generates some summary for you. Sometimes you may want to edit them to make sure, because this is a message. This is the main message you want to let your client to see, like to understand what the shared app is. So last step about on this demo is basically sharing, right? So I can make it public, but I can also add some passcode protection. So let's make it a simple passcode, 1, 2, 3, right? So, and I can grab this link, send to my client so they can start to play with it. Let's say we are the client now, and we received the shared URL from yourself, from the creator. Remember, I also need to get the passcode from my creator, which is 1, 2, 3 as well. So now, as you can see, we actually enter the passcode, and we can see the app range. I can play with this range first. I can see some of the data. Right, this is monthly view, so I can probably just like starting from mid of 2022, and then I can play with this filter, like focus on the region West. So what this is, actually this is the messages my creator sent to me, like along with the app. So this app features a bar chart displaying total sales data for products categorized as chair. Basically, it's sales of chair, right? Over a monthly timeline window. I can also change this, the filter have multiple values like west, south. So I can see the total sales a long time. As a client, my business partner shared this with me for me to play with it. I feel very, very easy. All right, this is a demo. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. If you find this is interesting, check it out at Rechart.app. I hope this app can help you to simplify the data sharing with your clients and to strengthen your business relationship with your clients. Thank you. Bye for now.